Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a private app in HubSpot and retrieve an access token. To begin, open HubSpot and make sure you are on the main home screen of your account. Starting from the home page makes it easier to navigate directly to the settings you need without getting lost in other tools or dashboards. If your screen looks slightly different, that is normal, since HubSpot can update its layout from time to time, but the general path should remain very similar. Once you are on the home page, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where HubSpot keeps account-level configuration options, including areas related to apps, integrations, and permissions. Taking this route ensures you are working from the correct administrative section rather than from a marketing, sales, or reporting view. After the Settings page opens, look through the left-hand navigation menu and click on Integrations. This section is where HubSpot organizes connections between your account and external tools, apps, and services. If you are creating access credentials for another platform or workflow, this is the place where that setup begins. Inside Integrations, click on Legacy. Apps. This area contains app-related setup options that allow you to create the connection you need. Depending on your account permissions, you may need to have the appropriate admin access to continue. If you do not see this option, you may want to confirm that you have the necessary rights in your HubSpot account. Next, go to the top right corner of the Legacy Apps page and click Create Legacy App. This will start the app creation process. At this point, HubSpot will usually guide you into a setup flow where you can define the app and continue toward generating the credentials associated with it. From here, simply follow the on-screen procedure. HubSpot will walk you through the remaining prompts needed to complete the setup. Take your time as you move through each screen and review the information carefully before confirming anything. In most cases, this is also where you will be able to retrieve the access token once the app has been created. As a general tip, treat your access token like a secure credential. Do not share it publicly, and store it somewhere safe so it can be used only by the systems or team members who actually need it. If you ever believe the token has been exposed, it is a good idea to regenerate or replace it. That's it. You have now completed the process of creating the app in HubSpot and retrieving the access token by following the built-in setup flow.